everyone, it's me, Charisse, and today I thought I'd do a little tutorial for you, a hair tutorial, a wash and go using Aussie products. I recently got a really good deal on Aussie products from Curlbox. If you haven't watched that video, it is somewhere around here. You can watch it when you have some free time. I got 6 products for $10, $5 was shipping and taxes, so I got 6 full-size products for only $10, and these products are really amazing. They're for dry hair, frizzy hair. I think they're pretty much, if you need a little pick-me-up, if you have natural hair, naturally curly hair, it will be great for you. So I got the Miracle Curls Co-wash treatment. I got this. I got the 3-minute curls deep conditioner with coconut and estrogen jojoba oil. The jury is still out on how to pronounce that. Then I got a leave-in detangling milk, and I also got a Miracle Curls First Taming Cream, a curl defining oil, and a curl refresher. So those are the products that I got for $10. And so today I'm just gonna try and use all of the products that I got and see how it comes out. Now, I have never used Aussie products to style my hair, only to wash my hair, so this is going to be a learning experience for both you and I. So I've already washed my hair and I've already used the conditioner, so I'm just gonna hop right in and just start styling. Right now I'm just gonna section my hair into a few different parts just because it's easier for me to manipulate and work with, just because I have so much hair. And this is why my wash day takes so long, because I have too much hair. So next, my trick is, because I have low porosity hair, which means my hair is really dry, really in need of moisture, because my hair follicles, I think it is, are just tightly closed. So I use warm water after I get out of the shower just to wake them up, wake my follicles or whatever it is up. And I find applying product to my hair when it's, you know, on the damper side works a little better. And I always use warm water and not cold. It's just a rule of thumb. I don't have much hope for how this will turn out, just because my ends are really terrible and I haven't gotten them trimmed in a while, so you know that affects the way products work with my hair. So I'm just gonna go in first with the leave-in detangling milk, and it's for if you need moisture. It's to help detangle, and it helps with frizz control up to 24 hours. So let's just go right in. You know, when I first apply a product to my hair, I can really tell how my hair is going to respond to it, and to be honest, I'm not sure if this is enough for my hair, just because I like a lot of thicker products more. They hold my curls better. So I'm gonna go in with this detangling brush just to help work the product in a little bit more. Yeah, I don't think this is one of my favorite products, or leave-in conditioners, or not. It's not even a leave-in conditioner. It's a leave-in detangling milk. It's not one of my favorites. I will say that right now. My hair still feels a bit, I don't know. And as you see, I have to use a lot more of it. So next up, I'm going to use a pudding. So this pudding I got in a different Curlbox that I purchased last year and I've never used it, so now is as good of a time as any to use it, I guess. So it's a Miracle Curls cream pudding with coconut and jojoba oil. It's free of sulfates, parabens, and dyes, and basically you just work into damp hair, distribute evenly from root to tip, and it's supposed to leave my hair soft, smooth, tame my frizz, and quench my curls. So we will see. This is how the product looks, and we will just go in with a lot, just because I just don't know if this, okay, it's really thick, as you can see. Oops. So maybe it'll give my curls super hold. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm feeling this, but I have committed to it, so I have to do my entire hair. Like, it kind of feels a bit clammy. I don't know, guys. Usually if I start with products and I don't like how they feel, I usually just abort the mission and just use something else. But because I already started and I'm committed to doing this video, yeah, we're just gonna keep going. Oops. So yeah, I do not like this at all. Like, my curls feel not soft enough for me. And let me just show you guys. So this is how it looks. My curls look a bit, I don't know. So like, if I leave it, this is how my hair looks, which is not my preference, but it might be someone else's preference. So I'm going to continue to work this through my hair, and then we'll see how it dries. So earlier in this video, I told you guys that I needed a trim on my ends, and it's proving to be very true, just because it's hard for me to work these products through my hair keeps getting detangled. So if one of the biggest signs to know if your hair needs a trim, besides the ends looking straggly, is by trying to run your fingers through your hair, and then you just keep hitting this, like, knots like this, like it's time, sis. So I have legit have to run to the salon at some point this month to get these taken care of, because like I say, while I'm not loving the products right now, it could be just because my ends need to trim, and I might need a deep condition, which I haven't done in maybe 3 weeks. So yeah, there's a lot of factors that can play into why your products don't work the way they should, but I'm gonna probably, try these products again at some point when I've gotten my hair all together, because I want to be fair. I want to be fair to the line. Like, I always try to give a product line more than one go to see if my hair really doesn't like it. Right now my hair is like, nah sis, it's not for me. But I like I said, I'm in love with the Co-wash and the 3-minute moisture, 3-minute miracle moisture. So yeah, I am in love with those products. So we'll keep moving on. And so I just have a little more to go, and I'll show you the finished product. So I am all done. I put the products on all sides of my hair, and like I said, the curls look exceptional, but I don't know if I like how my hair feels at the moment. And so I'm just gonna add some more to the front, get it looking a little bit better, and then style it how I usually style it to show you guys how it looks. You know what? I cannot tell with these products because it's starting to feel a little better, but I know my hair, it's gonna feel dry late, I feel. And I want you guys to know that I use a ton of product today. A ton. So this bottle is probably halfway. I'm halfway through this and this is the first time I'm using this. So what we're gonna do right now is, so I have some oil that I could put on it. My face is very funny. I have oily skin, and so a lot of products don't. I try to stay away from a lot of oils just because my skin, like I can't tell what my skin is going to react to. But I'm gonna take a chance, and I'm gonna put some of this Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil on my hair just to see how it works. And I do this by dispensing the oil into my palms and running it through my wet or dry hair. So I'm just gonna see how it works, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna use a generous amount because that's who I am as a person. It smells really good, but it's more like a gel-like consistency. So here we go. Actually, it's making my hair feel super good. Okay, you know what? I might be a believer after this. This feels amazing. I'm gonna take a little bit more and just slather that through. So my hair feels really hydrated after I put on the oil. So, you know, I'm just gonna stand up here a little bit and just show you guys what I really do when I'm in my bathroom. Sorry if you guys can hear the construction that's going on outside, but yeah, it's a thriving community. So yeah, that is it. I think we're all done. So I'm just gonna come a little closer and show you guys how these curls look. It feels great. I won't lie. I was hating on the products earlier, but after I ran the Miracle oil through it, it's pretty decent. So listen, I was hating through this entire video over these styling products, but now that I have used all of the products, well, a majority of them, I am actually loving the way my curls look. They are super defined. They actually feel a lot better now since I put the oil on it. And I retain my length, which is a big thing. My hair usually just shrinks up immediately when I put certain curl products on it. So I'm actually loving how this looks right now. But yeah, I think it's a go. I still want to get my ends trimmed, get a really good deep conditioner from my stylist, and see how the products really react to my hair after that, just because I want to give the products the full benefit of the doubt of working. Also, I'm gonna let you guys know if my skin breaks out because of the oil or any of the other products that I use today. But yeah, I must say that I'm satisfied. If you want to try any of these products, and let me stress, this video is not sponsored. I purchase every single thing with my money. I told you I got not a subscription box, but I got a box from Curlbox for $10 where I was able to receive all of these products. So if you want to try these products, you can get them from anywhere that sells hair products. I think Walmart, Target, I don't know if Sally sells it, but Ulta maybe, I don't know. But you can find them anywhere, go on Amazon, but I do love them. My favorite products, of course, I will show you out of the entire line would be the 3-minute miracle curls. I live by this stuff. I have a bunch of products from Aussie just because it's so good. I love the conditioner. I have a 7-in-1 conditioner. I have it's a 7-in-1 shampoo. I have tons of conditioner with different products with different like oils and stuff in them, and they're super good. I love them. But if you're interested in trying, I would say give it a go. You know, they're only like $5, so they're very affordable. And yeah, they will give you some definition, help you control frizz, and have you looking like I don't know, really good. I don't know, but yeah, thank you if you have watched this video to the end. It's painful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Don't forget to like our Facebook page at She's So Major. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram at She's So Major, and I do tweet a little bit, so you can find me there at She's So Major as well. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more great hair tips, hair videos, inspiration, product hauls, and much more. So that's gonna do it for today. So I'll see you guys later.